Good evening and welcome to yet another video on the bird's nest. I've been round and I've replaced all the masking tape with the numbers written on it with actual printed numbers and printed labels. The reason for doing this is that I may at some point have to rearrange all this to make it more tidy, to get it into the headlight bulb, or because there's a fault. So I'm going to leave it labelled, but I wanted something that was a bit neater and didn't take up quite so much space as the insulation tape did. So that's been an hour of my life numbering all this up, but hopefully if we have any faults then they'll be a lot easier to trace and to sort out. The next job is to see if I can get all this into the headlight bowl. It looks a lot less dense now that I've removed the masking tape numbers and replaced it with printed numbers, so perhaps it's a little less daunting than it was before. So I'm going to crack on with that now. Okay, I've managed to get the headlight bowl on after much re-plugging and unplugging of the wires. Hand on heart, I was about ready to quit because I'm still not perfectly happy with it. It's like when you open up the wiring loom when you're working on it and then try to compress it again. It's like it all wants to spring back on itself. So there's a little bit of pressure pushing back against the lamp in there. So I have a feeling I'm going to be revisiting it. Some of the issue I think is caused by the headlight bowl. It's just not round. It's slightly out of true, and I think that's been caused by these brackets that support the headlight bowl. So that is something that I'm going to have to look at as well when I get 5 minutes. Also, I need to order another clip for the headlight itself, because one of them I think was broken before I removed it, and was somehow wedged in there. So I've taken that out because it's only half a clip, not a full clip. So the next job I think is to see if everything still works after I've fitted that. But like I say, I'm not 100% happy with it.